Hi guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing Preceden, a tool that claims to create professional timelines and roadmaps for any project in minutes. Remember, please, if you like that review, click on the link in the description to help me to keep going. If you click on the link, you are already helping me. Preceden is a web-based tool that helps you create professional project timelines and roadmaps. The tool is divided by three different tiers: tier 1, tier 2, and tier 3. And it's kind of unique. It's an alternative to Microsoft's project and road monk. It's a tool that lets you create a beautiful roadmap or timeline for your project. So you have many use cases for teaching, research, writing, and those multiple use cases. It's what made me buy that deal. I bought the tier 1, but I'm planning to upgrade to the tier 3 until the end of the promotion. I don't know if you know, but AppSumo lets you buy one tier, for instance, tier 1, and if you like the tool later on, before the deal ends, you can upgrade to other tiers. So I'm planning to buy the tier 3 because I think it's the best cost benefit. It's the most useful case that you have is buying the tier 3. With the tier 1, you get 5 timelines, so you only can create and make it online 5 timelines, 1 users and 1 collaborator. If you buy the tier 2, you go up to 20 timelines and you get the custom domain. If you buy the tier 3, so you get unlimited timelines and also the custom domain. With unlimited timelines, you can create as many timelines you want and let it online and use it and embed it, and you don't need to worry about run out of timeline credits. I'm gonna show you how the deal works. Here on account, you have one button settings where you can add your custom domain. Since I only bought the tier 1 by now, I can't add my custom domain, but it's pretty simple. You just need to add the CNAME. Okay, it's the regular process. You can also change your email and password, and that is what it is. You only have one button to start your timeline. You click on create timeline, and then you can decide between 3 different starting themes. The classic theme, if you're going to work with a lot of dates, a multiple layers theme, and the simple theme. For the sake of that review, I will select the simple theme. You can see that clicking on the button here, you can change the color of your background. I like that pink one. I'm gonna add that one. And here you add your timeline name. You can set it private or not and click on create timeline. Now that we have created our template, I'm going to show you how you can start to develop a timeline or a roadmap. All the buttons are here. You can change the appearance clicking on that button, and you'll be able to change the color of the background. It will be fully customizable to your brand, okay? So everything that you're going to see here is fully customizable to fit your brand. You click here to create an event, and then you give it a name. First AppSumo product will be launched August 1, and will be here until August 31. You can add notes. Here's a note example. Click. You can change the color, the icon, and also the shape. Click on add event, and it's done. You can see the events will appear here as well. You can divide your roadmap by layer. AppSumo products. I'm gonna add here on the second layer, as you're seeing here. AppSumo products. Now I'm gonna create a second product, AppSumo product 2, that will start on August 10 and will finish on August 15. The event is here, and you just keep going, add layering and events, and this is a timeline, a roadmap. It's really, really easy. You can export it as PDF, image, PowerPoint, Keynote. You can add a presentation note, embed, or sharing a link. Also CSV, Excel, and CSV Excel import. You can do it as well. You can import your data from a CSV to Preceden. I'm gonna show you complete roadmap. You can see that you can do everything with a click of a button, and then you just change the colors to fit your brand. You can see here, the notes will show up when you just go through. Happy to hear, subscribe, this is a note. You can see the timeline here. This is embed, this is a link with a custom domain. The person here can download as a PDF and as an image as well. Okay, so that's Preceden. I will totally recommend it. I'm planning to buy the tier 3, only saving money for that. Please, if you like that review, click on the link in the description to help me to keep going. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.